A rare case of primary mediastinal carcinoid tumor presenting with hoarseness. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Primary carcinoid tumors of the mediastinum are rare, particularly when arising from the posterior mediastinum and unrelated to the thymus. Mediastinal masses can cause challenges for thoracic surgeons. A unique case of a 48-year-old man was reported who presented with dyspnea, hoarseness, and weight loss due to a giant posterior mediastinal carcinoid tumor. Radiographic and CT findings confirmed a large mass compressing thoracic structures originating from the left paravertebral region. Surgical resection via thoracotomy was performed successfully. Histopathological and immunohistochemical studies confirmed the neuroendocrine neoplasm grade 2 atypical carcinoid. The patient's recovery after surgery went very well without complications. This case highlights the importance of early identification and surgical intervention in rare presentations of posterior mediastinal carcinoid tumors. Introduction. Primary mediastinal neuroendocrine tumors (PMNETs) are extremely rare growths that develop in the central chest area mediastinum, with very few cases reported worldwide. These tumors belong to a group called neuroendocrine tumors (NETs), which can arise in many parts of the body, including the lungs, thymus, and digestive system. While most mediastinal NETs appear in the front part of the chest, thymic NETs, very few have been found in the back posterior mediastinum. These tumors often grow silently without symptoms, but once they become large enough to press on nearby organs, they can cause issues like coughing, shortness of breath, chest pain, hoarseness, and weight loss. Diagnosing these tumors usually involves imaging scans, and treatment typically includes surgery, sometimes with additional therapies beforehand to improve outcomes. This study presents a rare case of APMNET in the back of the chest and highlights its symptoms, diagnosis, treatment, and unique characteristics. Conclusion. Based on histology and immunohistochemistry, the present tumor is grade to moderately differentiated or intermediate. The patient is being followed up and is doing well at the end of 6 months and weight gain of 5 kg. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology, and medicine.